Right, so we have these Sandmarc ND filters. I received this a month ago. The last time was sunny in London. I took this bit out. I went to shoot some video. And then I realized that actually the clip-on is not inside here. There's a hidden compartment that you can find at the bottom of the box. And it's very easy to put this in the bin without checking. So we're going to try to test the filters today. So what do we have here? We have 3 filters. One of them is 128, ND 128. Another one is ND 64. And another one is ND 32. So I'm going to start testing with the 32 one. So I'm going to start to use today the Weebill S gimbal provided by Zhiyun, and I am using a SmallRig cage, universal one, so it actually should fit my iPhone 12 Pro without a problem. Step number 1, I guess we unlock here. We unlock here. And we lock it back so it says this side hub here. We unlock here. We slide this one right here. And then we lock it in place. And here. So the first one is Sandmarc ND64, and I guess we have to use this clip-on accessory. Okay, we have it. We have it. Right, so the whole thing fits nicely inside the cage. So now I'm going to bring this Frankenstein to life, and hopefully everything's going to be all right.